Hi, I'm making this video to show the new interface for the new editor for Ultra Engine that's coming along. This is designed to replace LeadWorks, and it'll look familiar to you if you've used LeadWorks in the past. But it's got some things that are the same, and it's got some really cool things that are completely new. So this will look totally familiar to everybody. Um, I don't even have to explain what this is. And the asset browser here, it works just the same as LeadWorks. The thumbnails here are loaded on a separate thread, so I can scroll through this very quickly and they just stream in as they are loaded. So that's kind of nice. You can, when you click on a new folder, it doesn't like pause the program. It just loads everything in the background, which is very nice. Hard to set up, but very nice. Okay, this is one of my favorite features. When you hover over an item, it shows this pop-up preview. It's like a tooltip, but it just shows you a lot more information. And this is kind of a nice solution because we don't have to waste a lot of space down here with like a big preview window that even wouldn't, even if we used up this whole area here for like a preview, when you click on things, it still wouldn't be very much bigger than the thumbnail. But with this, we get a very big view of the thumbnail and it takes up no screen space, and it really, even if it pops up accidentally, it's like it doesn't get in the way because the second you move the mouse, it's gone. So I really like that feature. One of the things I paid special attention to in this editor is you can't really mess up the interface, because with LeadWorks a lot of times people would they would accidentally drag this side panel all the way off the screen, and then they would write on the forum, hey, where'd the side panel go? What'd you do to it? And so this just stops it once you get to a certain point. You can expand it and you can keep expanding it and something cool happens. Oh! And you can just switch back and forth like that, which is very neat. I like that a lot. Same thing with the scene panel here. The properties will just pop up onto the right side when it gets too wide. So that's kind of a nice touch. But what I really want to show you in the, you can move this around, and you can double click to restore it. Same thing with if you just select one bar. But anyways, what I really want to show you is some of the scripting features. This is really, really cool stuff. Okay. I'm just going to start typing program side panel add item extension. I wonder what that's going to do. Oh, now we have a tab up here. Wow, that's interesting. Okay. Panel equals create. Oh, actually, first, I want to get the size. Size equals program side panel client size. Okay, now that's in a variable. Now I'm going to say panel equals create panel 0, 0 size.x size.y panel, right? No. Side panel. No. Program dot side panel. I can't type and talk at the same time. I might have messed this up. Let's see. Oh, no, it works. Okay. Now we have an extra panel that just materialized out of nowhere. Button equals create button. Let's give that a little indentation. 2020 size.x minus 20 times 2, so that's 40, and we'll make it 30 pixels high, and that's going on panel, right? Oh, I need to type some a name for it. Press me, and there's our button. This is very interesting. Now how can we make that button do something? Well, let's declare a function, hook, and we're just going to do this all in one line. event. That's right, right? Okay, so now we have a function declared in the Lua machine. Listen event widget action is the event ID, button is the source, and our function to call is hook. Okay, so that should all be linked up now. And when I press this, there we go. So this is really, really interesting. You can add features to the program and code the program as it's running. This blows my mind. Here's another, this is an example from some documentation I'm working on. This is for the program quit command. And the description here says, are you tired of exiting programs the boring old way? This amazing extension will bring new life to your computing experience. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. And I'm just going to paste that in on one line. What do you think is going to happen when I press enter? Now we have this tab up here that says turbo quit and this button that says quit. I wonder what's going to happen if I press the button. Are you sure you want to quit? No, I'm not sure. Okay, now I'm sure. And there you have it.